I'm heading to the car wash, but before I go, I'm gonna mix up an upholstery cleaner that is better than anything you could ever buy. I'm gonna show you how to do it coming up next. In today's video, we're heading to the car wash. I'm taking you with me because I want to show you an interior car cleaner that will blow your mind. It'll leave your seats looking brand spanking new. And the cool thing about it is you make it yourself for about a quarter, less than a quarter, a pint. Now it's time to apply our cleaner, but before we do that, I've got to show you how to make it. I like to use a spray bottle that holds a pint of fluid, and I add 1.5 ounces of Dawn dish detergent. Next, I use 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I also add 1.5 ounces. Now next, I fill the bottle up with warm tap water. And that's really all it takes to make absolutely the best upholstery cleaner for pennies. Now, I like to use an old toothbrush to really scrub the seats because I find that it gets in the cracks and crevices of the seat really, really well, whereas if I was using a larger brush, not so much. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.